Often new beginners in soap industry or detergent industry ask me this very common question: how much money a startup or a new investor should invest in machineries? And in reply I tell them how much money you need to invest in machineries depending on your capacity, but there is a minimum requirement of capital to make a good quality machine. Why? Your machine has to be a good quality machine, which will have the strength and capacity to produce homogeneous mixing, particle to particle mixing. So in order to achieve the particle to particle mixing or homogeneous mixing of raw material, your machine needs to have compressive strength. That compressive strength comes from good configuration. A good configuration machine runs well, runs for a long time. It has life with strength and energy that lasts for a long time. So you need to invest good amount of money even in small machines. Now another part, apart from mixing machine, there is one machine called plodder in detergent cake or dishwash cake manufacturing factory. The plodder that that releases the cake or bar like this through that releases the bar or cake or bar like this sort of machine. So how your plodder machine should be? Your plodder machine must have that capacity, that strength, that power to release hard bar like this. So hard bar like this in the sense, if I press my thumb or if I try to break it, I can't break it. So this much strong bar must release from your plodder. Your plodder should have that much strength which can release a dry, strong, super strong bar without facing any trouble or without any stoppage. So in order to have that strength or that power, your plodder must have good configuration. So in order to achieve that, you need to spend good amounts of money on your plodder machine. Now there are many machine makers across India who offer very cheap quality price machine, lower price machine, and in most cases new beginners or startups, they fall in the impression, low price, amazingly low price, I can save money, let's buy that machine. And when they buy substandard quality machine, in the name of saving money, they somewhere face the challenge and their trouble begins here. They never become able to make this sort of quality product from their machines, because their machine has low quality configuration, limited features, limited facility, limited strength, limited power, which sternly, clearly, simply fails to produce this sort of quality bar, and their business fails. So if you want to learn more about soap related business, what to do, what not to do, how to make profit, and what not to do to lose money, you can contact me. I am here to help you with proper information and guidance. Thank you very much.